In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do Jira Cloud integration in Monday.com. This process will streamline your workflow by connecting your project management tools, allowing you to manage tasks more efficiently. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and head over to Monday.com. You'll want to start by logging into your account, so locate the login option on the homepage and click on it. If you usually sign in with your Google account, select the Google login option and choose your account from the list. Once you're logged in, make your way to the specific board where you want to set up the integration. This board is your main workspace where you can organize and track your tasks all in one place. Now, in the top right corner of your board, there is an Integrate button. Click on this to begin the process of connecting Monday.com with other platforms. You'll see various integration options, but we're focusing on Jira today, so scroll through the options until you find Jira. Click on Jira to proceed. At this point, you'll be asked to choose what type of Jira connection you want. Consider what suits your workflow best, as Monday.com offers several integration templates to choose from. Once you've decided, click on the Use Template button corresponding to your selection. This template will act as a framework for how your integration will function. Next, you'll need to fill in some specific details. You'll be required to enter your Jira-related information, such as your email, an API token, and the subdomain associated with your Jira account. Make sure you enter this information accurately to avoid any issues with the setup. These details are crucial as they allow Monday.com and Jira to communicate and share information seamlessly. Finally, once you've provided all the necessary details, click on the Connect button. This will initiate the authorization process. You might be prompted to grant certain permissions to allow the integration to work properly. Follow any on-screen instructions to complete the authorization. And there you have it. In just a few minutes, you've successfully integrated Jira Cloud with your Monday.com account. Now your team can enjoy a more streamlined workflow with tasks and projects syncing effortlessly between both platforms. Remember, seamless management is key to efficiency, and with this integration, you've taken a big step in that direction. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy organizing!